why I might be selling Prismatic Evolutions. Now, I know this video is going to get a lot of controversy, and I'm probably going to get a lot of interesting comments, but that's the whole point of this video, guys. I want to hear your opinion, so before we dive into this, let me know what you guys think first off. Anyway, I might be selling some of my Prismatic Evolutions product, and I'll be explaining why in today's video. But let's first start off with this picture right here, guys. I always like to draw graphs and everything because it helps to visualize, and in just a business or market way, it helps the viewers and you guys see this. So right now, this is what Prismatic Evolutions looks like, right? It is such a green bullish market. It is pumping, honestly, freaking to the stars, bro. Like, it is going so high right now. But the thing is what is Prismatic Evolutions gonna look like in like 3 months, right? What do you guys think it's gonna look like? That's the thing that, you know, makes me wonder a little bit because right now, Prismatic Evolutions has had its first like official wave of product when release came out. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, when I say this to you, I haven't seen Prismatic Evolutions in stores for past 4 weeks. Like a good supply of it. I've seen like one thing at Target as I was passing by. There was a whole line for it, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get that. But about that, there's literally no product right now. So this is the market. I'll just sort of draw this. So this is the market, and then this guys is the supply. Right now we are getting to the brim, bro. We are about to touch rock bottom with supply. And I know we're getting some new products like the booster bundle. Surprise box just came out I think like a week or two ago, so not too far. But in terms of, you know, the ETBs, the tech sticker collections, the binders, guys, I haven't seen any of those in such a long time. And that's a scary thing because one Pokemon, apparently, I'm going to sort of draw like a wall right here, so it's probably better to see you guys. One Pokemon apparently prints the crap out of Prismatic. Obviously, people are still going to buy it. Obviously, it'll still be scalped, but the price will most likely, and honestly, probably not be as high as it is right now. And I say this because, like, you listen, Pokemon is not a golden market, right? It's not going to be a market that's going to be green forever. And it's so important to remember that. We've seen this in 2020, you know, during that pandemic hype when everyone thought the set was just going to go to, not the set, I'm sorry, like the Pokemon cards are just going to go to infinity. And if you bought it, congratulations, you won. We saw that, but then we saw that disappear, guys. It's so important to look at a market, to look at investing, at anything in a realistic view. Now, before I hop into TCG player and stuff like that, I sort of have to end off this drawing conclusion by saying I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so take your own advice as you would like. I'm just explaining the laws of the market right now, but I'm saying this before we hop into TCG player and before I start saying prices and everything like that. But, you know, we will see this, right? We will see a supply go up one day. We will see that. It might be in the long run, guys. You have to remember, Prismatic Evolutions literally just came out, so there's literally no point of FOMO off this set. Now, if possible, if the set in 3 months continues to be higher than what it is right now, that practically means, guys, that ETBs theoretically in 3 months, if the price continues to rise, will be nearly $200 to $300, which is really scary. Like that's too much, bro. There's no freaking way. So let's hop into TCG player, guys. I also want to talk something about Target as well because it's pretty exciting. I can't wait to show you all this, especially as later in the video. But look at this. I talk about this a lot, especially if you guys do watch my videos. Then, you know, I talk about the V graph or the V dump, whatever you like to call it. But, you know, release day, everyone was trying to sell. We had a major dip of nearly $100, and now, my friends, we are nearly back up to almost 150. As you can see, all these are around 140 and 150, guys. It does seem like a reasonable price. And 1 month up 33% on the ETB, a kind of alone that's just insanity. And, you know, it's continuing to rise. If we look at the Umbreon, the single right here, guys, you know, there's not too much stuff because it's not like a bought product, like not everyone buys this. But we are seeing that this card is 1500, and it's honestly a bit scary that we have a single that's worth this much. If we look at the binder collections, we can see that these are picking up 30% in the past month, guys. Nearly to $70 to $80 right now, which is honestly insane. And same thing alone with the poster collection, which is up 16%. Now, personally, in my collection, I have 5 poster collections. That's all Prismatic Evolutions I have in my collection right now. And I'm honestly considering to sell them because, hear me out, right? I already explained why, but the thing is, if I bought them for 15 each, I looked on eBay, I looked on everything. People are getting close to the $40 range, and if I could sell them for 40 each, that's 200. I spent around 75. That, my friends, is probably $100 profit when I call it quit. Because I know, guys, and I said this in the beginning, I said this when Prismatic Evolutions came out, that I would find it one day at MSRP. I wouldn't die getting it. I would be patient and I would get it. And I was right. I got it. I have poster collection in my collection, and it's an awesome thing to have. So my point is pretty valid when I say that, you know, if you wait, you will get it. And I feel like if you wait too long, profiting as high as it is today will not be an answer. Now, I'm still debating this because, guys, I want to hear your opinions, but I don't think in 3 months the ETB will be worth this price. I hope not. I'm hoping that. I honestly don't know. I'm kind of torn. If I had to call a ballpark price on the ETB in 3 months, I'm going to call it probably 150. I hope so, bro. I hope it's not higher than that, because that means that this set is just kind of useless in terms of what is it, supply shit, because I swore on YouTube, frick, why did I say that? Okay, anyway, I do want to show you guys something pretty cool right now, pretty exciting. Look at this, guys. 151 booster bundles on Target. Now, they're out of stock. I see that. You guys see that. But this is a big thing, because usually when you type in Pokemon cards, there's none of the stuff that pops up. I'm a 90% sure. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. But when a product pops up like this, like on the front page, it was recently restocked, dude. Dude, I'm about to crash out when I saw this, man. I was like, what? No freaking way, guys. So, honestly, this is so cool to see this on Target. Just get ready. I'm going to notify me probably after this video. But just keep this in mind that there is some stuff on stuff. I tripped up. Some stuff on websites. You guys just have to look. But really, really cool to see. 151. I'm honestly a big fan of 151. I have nothing 151 in my collection right now, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's okay. I really don't care, because I'll get it in the long run if I'm patient. I hope. Well, maybe not, because it's an old set. Anyway, guys, that's a wrap it up for today's video. What do you all think? Am I right? Am I wrong? Do I have a valid point? I'm honestly pretty confident in my answer that I will end up selling them, because if I do this right, I could practically invest that $100 back into Prismatic again once I get that chance, and then make double the money. It is all, guys, just a business market game. And for those of you who have sold your Prismatic, congratulations, because you're definitely making some great money. But yeah, guys, let me know, what do y'all think? I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.